Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have July's Boxycharm. So let's open it on up. So inside the box, every month you get a card that explains all your items, gives you your prices and whatnot. This is a $21 a month subscription and you usually get 4 to 5 full-size items. Here's my little lovely assistant, Miss Sophia. And you can join us on our family channel as well. It's May's Family. Here's my other lovely assistant. You can also find her on the May's Family. You can join all of us. Come join the May's Family. The first charm in our box is Needles No More, No More Baggage by Dr. Brandt. I tried this out a couple of times and honestly, I love Dr. Brandt. I'm not so sure about this product. I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna keep trying it out. They're rather on the pricier side, but you only have to use a little bit of the product and it goes a long way. Same with this, only need a little bit of the product. It could just be my skin. I have very sensitive skin. It's not that it made me break out or anything. It just made my under eyes somewhat dry. It's supposed to be an anti-puffiness gel and help with darker circles. But I didn't notice that much. Just kind of dried me out more. So this one right here retails for $42. The next charm in our box is by Cella Beauty, and this is a eyebrow cream. I love this product. I now have been doing my makeup with this product for the last couple of days, and it goes on really smooth. It comes with a little angled brush on one end. You don't need a lot of product. It goes a long way. Like I said, I really like this one. This retails for $26. The only thing I did do was I put on eyebrow gel just to hold it in place. The next charm in our box is by Wander Beauty, and this is the Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. So this mascara has a really beautiful brush on it. I don't even know if you guys can see it. It's a very nice thick curved brush. So this retails for $24. The next charm in our box is by Note. So this is the Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. And this is in the color Desert Rose. I have to say I did try this one out. It's a little peachy for me. I kind of like the bit more of a pink tone. It does come with a nice little brush if you're into that. I don't really necessarily like these brushes, but I know Sophia will love it. This is a very pigmented blush. It's nice though that you have the option to have a little brush in there. So if you're out on the go and you forget your blush brush, you know, that could always work out. Has a nice little mirror in it. This one retails for $11.99. The next charm in our box is, what is it, Sophie? Give it to me, girl.
Dun dun dun!
Yes.
The final product. One more. It's by Tarte.
Yes, this is by Tarte.
Ready, Set, Radiant.
So this is the Tarte Ready Set Radiant Mist, and this one retails for $25. This has plant and fruit extracts, so that's kind of like the smell. I can't really pinpoint the smell. You just smell it when you first spray it on. It's not a smell that lingers or stays, or you can smell throughout the day. So you can wear this under your makeup, after you put your makeup on, or alone, like if you just want to give your face a nice refresher. And that is our box. Thank you guys so much for joining us today. We hope you guys enjoyed this Boxycharm unboxing. Don't forget to subscribe down below. It's free.
It takes some time.
Yep. Also, don't forget to go over to our family channel called the May's Family. Check us out, guys. We do vlogs, challenges, the girls do unboxings, and it's just all kinds of fun. So please take the time, go support the fam. I will also have a link down below if you want to get your own Boxycharm. Till next time, guys. Say ready?
Ready,
Set?
go.
No.